Well, we're back. Frank, where are we at, buddy?
Silverback Off-Road, you know, the home of Fall Fury.
The home of car crushing.
I don't know about car. I mean, it was an attempt, I guess you'd call it.
Yep, and I would say Bigger Red is kind of worse for the wear after all that. Oh, I see a flat tire.
It's not flat. It's only low on the bottom. So we're good.
Scott thrower. Anyway, let's go take a look at her, dude. Well, all of our branding's gone. Some of it's over there. What are we doing here, though? Picking it up, right?
Side?
Well, this is the good side because the tire's full-ish.
Look at the mirror and the air box and the lower air tank holder.
Turns out if you flip over a Terragator, you got problems.
You should go run up there and film. We should go.
Yeah, so we probably need a new air box because that ain't gonna be filtrating.
A couple taps with a hammer and some torches.
I don't know, bud. We can just go ahead and get a new one. This tire saw some damage from you doing a burnout on top of a car.
I was trying to get the rubber down, you know, because this is that tall tire.
Yeah, exactly. Heat it up, you know. And then over here, looks like we're just kind of out of air.
Oh.
Did it come off the bead?
Nope, it's definitely not off the bead.
That's good. If we drive it, it might be though. Well, what else happened to this poor thing? It got rolled over, it crushed some cars. Wonder how the bottom side's doing. I don't really know.
We the bottom step right off. When we hit the
Oh
bottom.
my gosh. Yeah, that's gone.
Here's some evidence of a car.
That's the old paint coming through. Really? I don't know, it doesn't look that bad. But it's time to get her back home, Frank. Got a lot of cool stuff coming for this thing. Well, I think, you know, you're calling me out because we're racing now a lot.
Yeah,
Time to race three-wheeler, first three-wheeler.
Three-wheeler versus three-wheeler. Think a 250X SX
SX, yes.
Can beat Bigger Red? I don't think so.
I think a tug of war, I might have you. Especially now, you can't even give her gas. You're gonna spin the rim, dude.
I think I got you in drag racing.
No way.
Quicker than you think, bud.
I don't know. You went 27 mile an hour and 300 feet, dude. I don't think you got it. But we'll have to figure this out. You could just run me over. If things don't work out, take a hard left, take me out. But we need to collect the hood and then the other hood.
Yeah, that's somewhere here. Hopefully that didn't get smushed more than it was.
Well, I think I saw it over here. Let's go over here. Well, we've located the one that Gavin blew off. It's over here in the scrap
Giggly weeds.
pile. This doesn't look that bad, actually.
That's what you think.
Well, okay.
Hey, there's a tailgate to the Ford.
Here you go.
A little smoky.
Got the flag mount still. Okay, so we need to collect this, and then we need to find the other hood piece.
It's somewhere.
Sure is a lot less people here today, huh?
Well, we were going to have a little bit of a bonfire, but it got so windy that night we had to...
Smokey the Bear said this.
Say that. Nah.
No way, bud.
No way.
Maybe it's over here. I think we've located the other hood. I'll have to go grab that. I want to check out these cars too. Holy moly. Oh, this was a Pontiac Torrent at one point. Oh, dude, there's a cooler in the back. The V-Dub. Let's be honest. She held up nice. Oh, there's things in the back of the Focus. More and stuff. There's a damn safe back here. What? Oh, no, it's just a file cabinet. Oh, toolbox. Go out with your grandpappy, you know. Little tackle box. Wow, Ford quality. Whoa, dude, a Pontiac friggin' rally wheel. What the hell? Why is this back here? That's 10 cents too in the state of Michigan.
Because it came from the...
A damn outboard motor, what? This is where the burnout occurred. Not good. Well, hey, found an air box for Bigger Red. That's a fresh rotor right there, bud.
Fresh?
Oh man, cook some stuff too. That's a good pan. Ceramic coated. Oh man, a distributor for likely a Pontiac. Oh damn, man, a license plate. Frank, open this up.
Ooh, it's a Michigan one.
Michigan. Ain't a permanent trailer, so it ain't worth nothing to us.
No.
DWI.
Dwayne 0996.
When was that? 19. Okay. Pontiac grill, a little distributor, dude. Is this a freaking MSD Pro billet? No. I feel like we should probably just focus on getting Bigger Red back home. We need to find some air. Oh, damn, yeah, take that. Sucker's still good. There you go, clean it off.
A little tack welds on there, should be good to go.
We're good. All right, bigger red time. She's got to go home. All right, see, she'll go, bud.
But here's the new key.
Oh no, what is that?
That's the key.
What do you mean it's the key?
That's the key for starting bigger red.
Okay. We're showing people how to take this thing, dude. She's gonna become a striker. Battery sounds dead. Alright, we got a small jump box. If that's a no-go, we got the big jump box. Looks like he's doing some welding back there. I like the looks of this.
Hammer. You gotta loosen her up.
Yeah, hit the starter.
Like being whacked.
Oh, this is bad. Time for the big jump box. 6.7 Cummins. Oh! Crisscross applesauce over there.
Ah, I heard the Bendix move that time.
Oh, good. Bendix. Okay, motor turns over. Oh, she reeled it. More juice.
More power.
She's thinking about it, bud. Hey, your battery cables are smoking, Frank.
Means it's working.
That does mean they're working, but it also means they're on fire. It's kind of hard to watch, bud. That one sounded better. All right, Frank's getting down to the nitty-gritty here. Wire wheel and connected, so we got more juice. I'm gonna call this our final shot, bud.
It ain't the final shot until she's running.
Well, yeah, but like, you know, we got to get more power if this don't work. Come on now. Wow. Very lucky. This thing looks very weird with nothing on it. Just listen to her, boys. I honestly thought it was dead there. All right, so we got to get this hood. We got the other hood on the trailer already. And then we're gonna take her back down and load her up on a little berm down there. Normally Frank would be balls to the wall, but if this tire comes off the rim, it's actually a big problem. Those are really hard to mount back up. This poor thing. Well, she friggin' made it without blowing the tire off the rim, so thank God these guys got a nice little shop here. It's gonna take a while to air her up, but. All right, I'll see you in like 3 hours, Frank.
Yeah, this is gonna take a while, bud.
You got her. Well, guys, worst case scenario has occurred. We got an air chuck. Frank comes around here, he says, son of a bean. The tire blew off the rim, bud.
I've done this before and it's worked.
With the grease gun?
With the grease gun, yeah, you fill a little void with a little bit of grease.
Alright. I was thinking we just come out here with the Cummins, dude. Ramming speed, push the tire back that way, but maybe not. Well, we got hella grease going on. We've enlisted the help of Brody. Thanks, brother. Oh, man. Classic bigger red problems. Well, guys, we're all about resourcefulness and stupid ideas, so we took the core out of the giant tractor tire valve stem there, and I'm literally hooking the airline with...
Big core.
That's a huge core. Literally hooking the airline directly to it, and then we will turn the valve on the air compressor to see if that'll flow enough air to overcome this little leak issue out back. Is that full air? That must be a yes. And I think Frank's gonna come in with this and push the tire. You can see where she's leaking. squeaking as much. I think that's it. He can't get out. Yeah, she's taking on air, bud. Look at that. Resourcefulness, Frank.
Good deal.
That's what you can rely on with Papa Leo, dude. He's gonna air up really quick, so we should probably get on this. You can probably back out, because it's taking air big time. Nice. I'm gonna go kill that valve in there, dude. I'll help. Hey, you're good, dude. We got this.
That worked.
Oh, Frank. Just did a reversey to dig a hole so Bigger Red wouldn't push the trailer forward. I mean, that does work, I guess.
Dig her in, you know?
That worked. We gotta move this crap. Yeah. All right, but I don't know about this. Get her up on the trailer. That's a big hit. I'm saying it's gonna push it, but we will find out. Oh, look at that. She's up, baby. Good job. Now, while we strap it, we have to leave it in drive, because that pushes it forward against the trailer. Sounds ghetto, but it works.
We got some permits and some wide load stickers and flags. And...
We did it right. It cost us about $100.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see her. Let's get all these flags on there. I want to put the wide load on the back. I'm excited about that for sure. All right, guys, in full accordance with Leo DOT, we are fully legal. Yeah, that sign for sure. This, you know, sign here, and on the back we got the beast. Wide load, you know, because it is indeed a wide load. We're legal, Beagle.
Beagle is legal.
Back to the shop. And this right here is going to be a little interesting. Just going to go right over it, huh? Wow. Oh, there we go. Have you ever seen anything more DOT legal? Probably, but this does look pretty good. A lot better than last time when we had to take tires off, you know. That sucked. Oh, that's pro, dude. That is pro. Well, boys, Bigger Red's getting on the highway for the first time ever.
It might have been delivered on the highway. We don't know. Maybe it was built before highways were there. I don't know.
Frank said we're gonna keep her under 90.
Yeah.
So we should be okay. I'll cut back to video if we lose a tire, flip over, and die.
Okay, perfect.
If not, we'll just be at the shop and life will be good.
Perfect.
Holy frickin' cannoli, we made it. By golly. That takes the cake for the absolute worst quality ride in the history of being in a truck, for sure. So time to unload the sucker, and Frank has a great idea that he wants to freaking drag race me in my three-wheeler, to which I said, bring it, bud. Oh no. Well guys, in typical R3 fashion, Frank has called me out to a race. Fortunately for me, my Honda's a little more reliable than his Honda. His ain't even on the trailer yet. Ain't even started yet, dang. Alright guys, she's finally moving. My flags. Oh. She still moves good. Hey, 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 hey! Don't even think about it. So what are we doing?
You ready for this?
What are we doing?
Me versus you.
I say we do this. We do a drag race and then we do a down and back.
No, we're gonna do a course.
What do you mean a course?
I'll show you the course.
What?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so, drag race first.
Okay.
Determine who wins the drag race. And then we got a little short course set up.
A short course?
Yeah, my son was here, he's got a little course set up. So it's actually pretty fun. We're gonna come down around, come around and come a couple quarters. No jumps or anything, but then down and then back.
Alright, I'll let you set the lap for the course so I can see it.
Okay.
Let's drag race. Bring it. Alright, I got full faith in the old 250SX. Just doing some test laps with her. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to give him the hit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't want to get too close to this thing. Oh, I'm on the exhaust side too. Excellent. Alright, I'm going to give him the hit. I'm going to give you the hit. Bring it, bud. Got him! Got him! By a country. I don't have any brakes. I do not have any brakes. I got him by a country mile though. Oh my gosh, that is scary. He's going so fast. He might have me in the short course. There's the short course here. Oh, look. Oh, this is pretty gnarly over here. Oh, he said no jumps. Oh my gosh. He's three-wheeling the heck out of it. Oh boy. This track's gonna be friggin' destroyed by the time the old three-wheeler gets on it. Alright, so around the implement, in between the trailer. Okay. And then through here. I'm screwed over that. Look at the three-wheel. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh man, three wheels hard. Alright. How many laps is it gonna get here? I think he's gotta park it. Alright, Frank's got the official sweat dome on.
Yeah, I know, it's a little sweaty in here. What were you doing?
Sweating.
Yeah.
Alright, get in there, bud.
Are we good?
Yeah. Alright, guys. Wow. Here's how we're going to do it. Best of 2 flying laps. The start finish is the Maggie engine cover, which has become target practice. So as soon as the front tire crosses that, we will start. Alright, coming into lap 1 here. Hopping that rear end. Holy moly. And start the lap. There we go. Through the rough stuff, catching big air. Oh my gosh, that looked rough. It's gonna be bad at my three-wheeler too. All right. Through the left-hander to the final hairpin, back to the straight to start lap 2 here. He's looking clean. I think he should pick it up through the jump just for our entertainment.
Okay,
Nothing else. Alright, start of lap 2 right there. Well, you can hear him screaming. That was smooth. Now, of course, we won't know the lap times until the video's edited, but I got a strange feeling my three-wheeler is going to destroy him. Maybe not, though. Oh my gosh, what was that? Inside tire was dragging. All right, we're on the final hairpin here. Wow, big two-wheel. I keep calling it a three-wheel, but it's actually a two-wheel. All right, and across the line right there. Good job, Frank.
Woo! That's a pretty good lap time for a gator. I should say bigger red.
All right, how do you think you did, buddy?
I have no idea.
We don't know the times until
we don't know
after.
the times until you guys already know the time, but we have no idea. Guarantee you this.
What?
It's the fastest time a gator's ever went around short course, right?
Well, it's bigger red, dude.
Bigger red, yeah.
You know, she's basically a race terror gator.
Yeah.
You were two-wheeling quite a lot. That was scary.
Whew, coming into here, you feel that tire folding over. I'm like,
well, not only that, you were dragging the inside tire.
Yeah.
Trying to get a little like turning brake thing.
Turning going on there, yeah. I wish I had posi for that. But
I know.
it just doesn't, you know, so.
Well, it's my turn, buddy.
Hit her up. Are we ready for this?
Yeah, I don't need no practice laps.
No practice laps. He's gonna go and hit her.
I don't got good laps. We're just ready.
Yeah, nothing. There we go. Oh, you got reverse though. He's probably gonna take off from right even here, isn't he? Is he gonna do it in reverse? Oh no, he's gonna get a whole. He's gonna get rolling like he should. Okay, coming in for lap 1. Right there. Oh yeah, see this is like a, oh yeah, he hit it good. Oh man, he went around that perfect. Oh yeah, get that lean going on there. I think he's got me, guys. I don't know for sure, but I mean, we got 18,000 pounds versus 180 pounds, so a little difference. Oh, he's just taking it easy now, he says. He's got her no problem. Oh, he's talking. Let her eat. Let her eat. She's breaking up a little bit. Maybe he'll run out of gas for this here. Then I would win, right guys? Okay. Well, I guess you guys know, we don't. So congratulations on whoever won.
Brother, that felt so slow.
Oh, you're going for a ride. See you later, buddy.
That felt so slow. Turns out the old balloon tires, they're not really meant for cornering. And those bars are not meant for
oh yeah, the bar.
place.
I forgot about the loose bars and the flat tire. So
I'm just making excuses everywhere, but that was a lot of fun. I'm so happy to have Bigger Red
back in the field.
It just looks good out there, doesn't it?
Right? Doesn't? I mean, we got to get the hood back on it and all kinds of good stuff, but
yeah, if anyone has a Terragator hood, even like in Michigan, we'd entertain the idea of buying a fresh one and repainting it.
Yeah, that's a little suspect over there. We can get the first half done, but the center section's good, but the
front half
is cooked pretty good.
Super cooked. So we got so many cool things coming up, and everyone commenting, where's my merch? It's coming. It's shipping all this week. We had some stock issues on hoodies that held things up, so really sorry about that. But yeah, going to Glamis.
Yes, sir.
Gonna be awesome. Right after that, going to Maryland for World Cup final. And it's all because of the people over here. So you guys keep us going, you guys keep us alive, and it just means so much. So we're making all sorts of cool deals in the background, and you know, we spent more time on the phone today than I spent in like 2 weeks on the phone. Right?
I know, just trying to get everything lined up.
So many things lined up, and I'm very, very excited about this trip coming up. See all the old friends, rip some dunes, just enjoy Southern California, you know? And it's all thanks to you guys, so really appreciate you guys watching. Frank does as well, of course.
You're damn right.
And shouts out to Silverback for storing Bigger Red for so long.
Yeah, I mean, it was only a week or two, but you know, I'm sure they enjoy having it there.
And I think we should just announce the date for the next one. The Spring Showdown. It's coming, Frank.
Spring Showdown. What, you got the date?
Spring Showdown, May 3rd, 2025.
Woo-hoo!
We are bringing the heat. We have picked up a list of sponsors that you will not believe for this event. And not
Okay.
only are the sponsors great, that means the payout is great as well. We didn't make a dime on the last one. I think we basically just broke even.
Yep.
So, you know, thank you, you know, for buying all the merch. Thank you for the person selling the merch. And that kept the whole event like pretty much break even, which
Yep.
was awesome. And Don and Kara too, you know, working the registration booth, and everyone there that worked so hard on that event, that was awesome. But this next time around, we're really gonna bring it. So again, we're not trying to make money. We don't want to make money off you guys. What we want to do is put on a badass event and just keep doing badass stuff. So we'll see you. It's gonna be a little bit longer of a break, but that's okay because we've got banger content coming up.
You're darn tootin'.
All right, see you, Frank.
All right, guys. Bye.